Hello children, I am Pratibha Sonavne. I am a teacher at Gokhale Education Society's HL High School and Junior College, English Medium. Here I am posting Mathematics subject Standard 6 videos. Let us start. Today's topic is quadrilaterals. What do you mean by quadrilateral? The figure which is having four sides are called as quadrilateral. Here you can see all the figures which are having four sides, that is like kite, trapezium, square, rectangle, parallelogram, etc. Here you can see the four vertices here and four segments. The four line segments that form a quadrilateral are called its sides. Practice set number 37. Let us understand first the concept of polygons. So what do you mean by polygons? You must have seen the 5 petals, flowers of Tagar, Kunda or Sadafuli. If you draw some of the lines joining the tips of the petals, you can form a 5-side figures with 5 points. By forming the diagram with these 5 segments are called a pentagon, which is having the 5 sides. Observe the figure below and find out their names. See, the first figure is pentagon, which is having 5 sides. These are the polygons with having more than 4 sides. Okay, see the second figure, it's a hexagon which is having 6 sides. 6 sides figure is known as hexagon. Figure with 7 sides is known as heptagon. Figure with 8 sides are known as octagon. So, note down the answers. Children, draw the diagram properly with their sides and see their names. Let us start the next practice set. Practice set number 38. Before that, we should learn about some of the concepts: adjacent sides of a quadrilateral, opposite sides of a quadrilateral, adjacent angles of a quadrilateral and opposite angles of a quadrilateral, then diagonals of a quadrilateral. Adjacent sides of quadrilateral. The sides of quadrilateral which have a common vertex are called adjacent sides of the quadrilateral. See the quadrilateral ABCD. Here AB and AD is having a vertex common. So here segment AB and segment AD are adjacent sides. Let us see opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Sides of a quadrilateral which do not have a common vertex are called the opposite sides of a quadrilateral. As we can say, the parallel to each other, that will be the opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Let us see adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral which have a common arm are called the adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. Children, the next thing is learn in this is opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral which do not have a common arm are called the opposite angles of a quadrilateral. The next important point is the diagonals of a quadrilateral. The line segments which join the vertices of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. You must be understand the concept of these. Now let us start practice set number 38. Draw quadrilateral X, Y, Z, W and name the following: the pairs of opposite angles, the pairs of opposite sides, the pairs of adjacent sides, the pairs of adjacent angles, the diagonals of the quadrilaterals. Children, see, this is the quadrilateral that we have drawn. In this, we will learn all these concepts again. Here, the pairs of opposite angles are angle X and angle Z, angle Y and angle W. Next is the pairs of opposite sides. The pairs of opposite sides are segment XY and segment ZW, segment YZ and segment XW. So let us write. The pairs of adjacent sides are segment XY and segment YZ, segment ZW and segment WX, segment WX and segment XY. Children, 4th, 5th and 6th have to be done by yourself. Means you will have the homework for it. Rest of the questions will solve in the next video. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.